Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another advent calendar unboxing for you, and it is the David's Tea 24 Days of Tea Advent Calendar. Now I got the caffeine-free version, as you can see here. They also have a regular version, but I drink a lot of caffeine. I drink a lot of coffee, so I figured with tea I need to ease up on the caffeine. Now I've had this for a while, but it took me a few days before I could film this because I realized upon receiving this that I am missing a crucial instrument, and I will show you in a minute. So this is it. Really cute, it's red. The back here has all the teas listed for you and their nutritional value, but I'll open it up so you can see why I had to wait. And this is it opened up. It is a loose leaf tea advent calendar, which means you need an instrument to steep the tea. And I am such a basic tea drinker. I'm a tea newbie. I don't have fancy teas. So I had to order an infuser. This is really cool. It got a lot of great reviews. It's glass and I wanted to show you the teas, while they steep. And it has this really cool lid that flips upside down, and then when you're done steeping your tea, it rests right in there. So you don't have to get an extra plate. But isn't that so cool? I bought this myself on Amazon. I think it was like $8 or $10. I'll link it below, but this is what we will use to steep our teas. So this is the advent calendar. Very nice design, very straightforward, really cute little drawers. Everything is clearly labeled. We'll just, I guess, go ahead and start with day one. These teas can be purchased directly from David's Tea. So day one is Butterscotch Chai. And this is it right here. Let's open this up. And like I said, I'm such a basic tea drinker. I just drink green tea during the day and then, maybe chamomile at night. And even only very recently, my Asian mom told me I need to drink more tea, and so I have to listen to her, so I'm trying to drink more tea. But okay, so this is the Butterscotch Chai. It is sweet caramel with a hint of creamy butter and spices, topped off by a rich, nutty rooibos finish. Okay, look at that texture. That's really cool. Let's go ahead and steep this. So here is my glass infuser. Just drop that in there. I have this glass mug by Nespresso. All right, so I'm gonna pour it in so you can see up close. This is the hot water. Nice. So I will let that steep for a little bit while we continue with the rest of the advent calendar. I think you could make this a chai, like a Starbucks chai if you add cream or milk. I don't really add milk to tea, but I guess I'm not really drinking the right tea for that. I usually just add honey or just nothing. So we'll try it without anything once it's ready. So we'll leave this down here. So these pots are really cute. Once it's emptied, you could probably reuse them, I guess, for more tea. Okay, day two is here. Day two is Hibiscus Splash. Ooh, I love hibiscus flowers. Okay, so this is Hibiscus Splash. I don't know if you can buy this separately because I'm on the website and it's not showing up, but a lot of these fruity floral teas would also be great as an iced tea, which sounds really good, doesn't it? So I'll have to try it as an iced tea. Look at that, it has a really cool flower. I feel so fancy with these loose teas. I'm so used to Lipton and Sleepy Time chamomile in my little tea bags. So it smells very fruity and florally. And I wish there was a description, but I don't know if you can purchase this separately, but it's very pretty. Okay, day three. This is organic peppermint Amore. I love peppermint teas. One of my kind of basic teas that I drink just to soothe my stomach is, what is it called? Soothe your tummy tea. If you eat something really spicy, peppermint and ginger teas are really good for you. I'm just smelling it. Yeah, very good, very nice. So very pepperminty, like a candy cane, but not as sweet. This is described as fresh, cool, minty flavor and aroma. Naturally fresh, cool, and comforting herbal. And it says peppermint tea is a classic remedy for an upset tummy. The active ingredient is menthol, so it's also great if you have a sore throat. So yeah, that's why you drink peppermint tea when you're sick. Day four is here. It is white cranberry bark. I love peppermint bark. I've never heard of white cranberry bark. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, it's really nutty. I really smell the cranberry. It's chocolatey. It's like peppermint bark with cranberry. So this is described as the perfect balance of sweet, creamy, and tart, just like a white chocolate cranberry bark dessert. These are so fancy. A lot of these are really savory or chocolatey, and I don't really drink teas like that, so I'm glad that I can try something different. Looking for a guilt-free holiday indulgence? Treat yourself to the slightly sweet, caffeine-free herbal tea, strewn with pretty little white chocolate stars to give the tea a touch of sweetness. and steeps a festive reddish pink. Ooh, that's cool. You see any white chocolate stars? I guess that's it. Ooh, that's so cool. Yum. Okay, I can't wait to try this. Day 5. Ooh, frosted cereal. Sweet, creamy, and totally addictive, just like the crave-worthy milk at the bottom of your cereal bowl. That is so interesting. It has a blend of gluten-free cornflakes, quinoa, and vegan marshmallows. Makes a killer breakfast iced latte. Ooh, that sounds good. I didn't even know that you could make tea into latte. I guess, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Caffeine free, so even the kids can hop on the cereal latte trend. I wonder what that long thing is. Like, what are all the individual pieces in here? That is so cool. Day 6 is over here. And day 6 is frozen raspberry. It smells like raspberry trail mix. I guess a lot of these could be considered trail mix, they're dried. It says it's sweet, fruity, and bursting with summer freshness. We kick this blend up a notch with a creamy swirl of yogurt. The result, an icy treat that tastes just like a raspberry froyo. We won't judge if you go back for seconds. I just want to try all of these. So this is a really good advent calendar you need to take your time with and try it every day. So we are a third of the way through here. So let's go ahead and try our tea. Now there it is, fully steeped. And I'll go ahead and take the infuser and put it in the little tray. So that is it all steeped out. Okay, so this is the tea fully steeped. This was the first day butterscotch chai. And let's go ahead and try it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so decadent. I am fully on board the tea train. Okay, so let's keep chugging along here. Okay, so day 7 is right here. Ooh, pumpkin creme brulee. I love pumpkin. I love creme brulee. I'm getting a lot of apples in this also. So it says it has creamy cooked pumpkin notes, irresistibly rich white chocolate, and the ingredients, it also has apples, cocoa beans, pumpkin pulp, rose hip, white chocolate, carrot. Interesting. Cocoa husk. This is such fall vibes. Pumpkin creme brulee. Day 8 is here. So this is day 8. Sunny Sea. Interesting. I'm gonna guess this has orange. It smells like a fancy orange soda and orange juice. Need a little immune booster? This vibrant tea is bursting with freshly squeezed orange, sight-saving carrot, and a sunny dose of vitamin C with hints of hydrating hibiscus and tart lemon. It's a citrusy tonic that'll leave you feeling bright-eyed and bushy-tailed after one sip. Did we mention it's amazing hot and iced? Go ahead and see for yourself. Oh, so clever. So it contains apple, hibiscus blossoms, carrots, candied pineapple, which is pineapple and sugar, and orange peel and lemon peel. Oh, this is so good. This is such a zingy. That's my other fancy quote-unquote tea is lemon zing or something. This is definitely a lot better. Day 9 is right here. And oh, this is fancy. So day 9 is North Star. Look how cute those little stars. So this is a creamy mint dancing seamlessly with candied orange. Yeah, this is really good. This is really minty but orangey. Sip on the sweet flavor profile with zesty citrus and cooling mint for a fresh mouth feel that lasts. Inspired by white chocolate bark, a classic pepperminty winter treat. So it's a nice zesty, orange zesty peppermint. I'm so excited about this advent calendar because I really want to try out lattes and, you know, iced tea. How cool. So day 10 is over here. Caribbean Crush. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is like a fruit punch. This is described as refreshingly sweet and fruity with a hint of tang, just like a tropical fruit punch. It steeps a pretty pink color thanks to a touch of hibiscus. So that's why I really like the glass infuser and the glass, you know, mug, because I really want to see how the color changes when you steep these teas. So this has apple, hibiscus, natural sweet flavoring with stevia extract, and papaya, cranberry, and pineapple. Day 11. Right here. Ooh, these are chunky bits. Oh, they're nuts? Oh, okay. This is Forever Nuts. Wow, okay. Oh yeah, they have entire, just like huge chunks of nuts in here. Toasty nuts and sweet apple, rich and comforting. Oh, this is so good. It smells like apple oatmeal. And then I guess with nuts. Ingredients are apple, almond, cinnamon, beetroot, and artificial sweet roasted almond flavoring. Got a sweet tooth. 1 cup is all you need to find sweet satisfaction. Steeps in amazing bright pink thanks to beetroot. Especially when you make it as a latte. Has been one of our most popular teas since day 1. Oh, okay. Crunchy almond slices, sweet apple bits, and cinnamon bark. This tempting caffeine-free infusion turns a crazy shade of pink when steeped. That is so cool. Looking forward to steeping this. Okay, day 12 is here. Oh my gosh, Unicorn Dream. By the way, my nails are called like unicorn. It's unicorn polish. Okay, Unicorn Dream. What is in this? This just smells like candy now. Tart and light citrus notes morph into a sweetened cotton candy flavor with a lively finish that's smooth and creamy. It has apple, hibiscus blossoms, coconut, lemongrass, artificial cotton candy flavoring, and marshmallows. I love coconut. I've never had coconut tea. Day 13 is here. This is organic cinnamon rooibos chai. Very cinnamony. This will really wake you up even though it's supposed to be caffeine free. The combo of cinnamon and rooibos is naturally very sweet and not too spicy. Apparently, the cinnamon is an even better breath freshener than mint. Great for concentration. Craving chai before bedtime, one sip is all it takes to satisfy your craving. This has organic rooibos, organic apple, organic cinnamon, and natural cinnamon flavoring. I just smell straight up cinnamon. Maybe some apple, yeah, apple cinnamon. So day 14. Ooh, that's so cool. It's so pretty. Okay, I love the colors. So this is cotton candy. Wow, it really literally smells like cotton candy. So this is described as a dessert tea, and it combines nut brittle, candied mango, and cotton candy, sprinkles with a smooth, sweet base of green rooibos. Wow. The result, all the fun and flavor of fairy floss minus the sugar high. It's a carnival in a cup. That is so funny. Our favorite way to drink it, iced with 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Wow, I have to try that. Okay, so I see the candied mango there. I love dried mango, by the way. I'm Filipino. I say this in a lot of videos at this point. Somehow, I don't know, it always comes up, I think. But we love mango, and I love dried mango specifically. It's just one of my favorite snacks. Day 15 is up here. Okay, they do number it back here, but I was planning on just putting it back in order. Okay, so day 15. Oh, this is a very earthy looking one. Sleepy lychee. Oh, I love lychee. Okay, it smells like lychee. Okay, this has slightly sweet preserved lychee with a strong jasmine finish. Time to upgrade your bedtime routine. This delicate and fruity gold blend is rooted in sweet lychee with a myriad of floral jasmine notes. And I love jasmine tea. I love lavender tea, you know, for chamomile. I've never had lychee tea, and I love lychee. I have lychee, is it from Fresh Beauty? Like lychee perfume. If ever there is a perfume with lychee notes, I have it. Intoxicating aromas of sweet lychee and floral jasmine, lime tree blossoms. Contains apple. I'm noticing there's a lot of apple in these teas. Apple, lemongrass, carrot, bean peel, candied pineapple, a sweet blackberry, natural lychee flavoring, lime tree blossom, rose petal, marigold blossoms, and lychee. Lychee is the last ingredient. Interesting. But it still really does smell like lychee. 16 is over here. Strawberry rhubarb parfait. This really does smell like strawberry yogurt. And then on the website it says this is amazing as an iced tea, like a slice of strawberry rhubarb pie, tart and sweet with a slight hint of creaminess. This tea steeps a beautiful bright red color thanks in part to the beetroot. Great iced tea for kids and adults. Really nice strawberry tea. This smells like strawberry ice cream. This is really good. It has apple, hibiscus, raisins, carrot, artificial flavoring, beetroot, and yogurt bits, and strawberry and rhubarb. Day 16, another greeny type tea. This is, oh, just peachy. Okay. Oh my gosh. This will be such a great peach iced tea. This is our peachiest tea ever. It tastes just like a ripe, juicy peach. It really does. It smells like not just like a peach, but a ripe peach. One of the best iced teas of all time. Makes an amazing base for your favorite fruity cocktails. Okay, they give you serving suggestions. Tastes like it's fresh from the orchard. Amazing blended with frozen strawberries and white rum, or served chilled with a splash of Prosecco. Oh, that's so fancy. I would just drink this as a regular peach hot tea. Contains apples, apple pomace, sweet blackberry leaf, peach, and artificial peach flavoring and natural sweet flavoring with stevia. Day 18. Alpine Punch. This smells like a really nutty fruit punch. It contains rooibos, coconut rasps, apple pieces, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, black pepper, rose blossoms, and almond flakes. It smells so good. This is the kind of creamy rooibos we imagine they serve in fabulous ski chalets in the Swiss Alps with apple, cinnamon, ginger, and the heady scent of almonds. It's a caffeine-free dessert tea that's warm, comforting, and totally decadent. It's just so rich. I really smell the almond right away. Contains almonds, coconut. So good. 19 is right up here. Ooh, look at that. Organic 9 berries. Okay. They tell you straight up what's in here. This is so good. This is just a bunch of straight up dark berries. It says, how many berries can you name off the top of our heads? Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, elderberries, juniper, buckthorn, goji, aronia, and black currant. Elderberry is really good for you, so this is very healthy. Coincidentally, these are also the 9 berries featured in this organic herbal tea. 9 super berries with the power to rock your detox, hydrate, and give you that glow. Sip it hot or iced for a berry exquisite experience. Day 20, down here. Ooh, apple cider. These are very accurate descriptions because it smells like straight up apple cider. This contains apple pomace, sweet blackberry leaves, and apple flavoring. Try it hot with a cinnamon stick and a splash of brandy. 21 is over here. This is Magic Potion. Nostalgic blue raspberry taste with a touch of tart cranberry. So I really smell the cranberry. Contains apple, rosehip, raisin, coconut rasp, natural berry flavoring, butterfly pea flower, popped rice, rose petal, dwarf everlast blossom, cranberry, and stevia extract. It says this blend steeps as unpredictably as a Halloween night. From a haunting hue to a foggy mist, you never know what you're going to get. So I guess it depends on the blend, what color it will steep. 22 is, ooh, this is more nuts. Valerian Nights. This has apple, roasted coconut, rooibos, chamomile, caramel pieces, sweet blackberry leaves, natural coconut flavoring, valerian root, and natural flavoring, caramel, sweet blackberry leaf. What makes this infusion so relaxing? It contains calming valerian root, aka nature's Valium. Interesting. Okay, so I guess this is a really nice sleepy time tea. Relax and unwind with a scrumptious caffeine-free infusion of rich caramel and creamy coconut. It's sweet, it's decadent, it'll have you pajama ready thanks to its calming base of valerian root. One of nature's most popular sleepy time ingredients. I love drinking tea at night. Very excited to try this. I've never heard of valerian root. Sounds like it's something from Game of Thrones, but looking forward to trying it. Okay, we're almost done here. We're at day 23. Okay, day 23 is caramel shortbread. I'm really liking the caramel teas. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. I just want to bake this and eat it. Sweet, nutty, and buttery with notes of baked shortbread and creamy caramel. It contains apple, raisins, brown sugar, natural and artificial almond and hazelnut flavoring, elderberries, willow bark, almonds, hazelnuts and sour cherries, raspberries, and stevia extract. This is so good. They call another dessert tea. Melt in your mouth richness of shortbread baked into a blend of willow bark, brown sugar, almond, and cherry. You're going to want to sip this holiday blend with your favorite tea time treats. Resistance is futile. This is so good. So rich. Okay, and then our final day, 24, is in this golden drawer. And, oh, it's fancy. This is Sleigh Ride. This reminds me of a fruitcake, like a Christmas fruitcake. Fruity and lightly spiced with a hint of naturally sweet beetroot and toasty popped rice. The ultimate holiday punch with cinnamon, apples, almonds, hibiscus, and beetroot. This sweet, tart, and lightly spiced caffeine-free herbal tea is nice and rosy as caroller's cheeks. Makes a great holiday punch. Try it with honey and a splash of brandy. This has apple, candied pineapple, hibiscus blossoms, candied papaya, beetroot, cinnamon, raisins, coconut rasp, roasted almonds, popped rice. Sleigh Ride. Very holiday and festive. So that is the David's Tea 24 Days of Tea Advent Calendar, the caffeine-free version. I am so excited about this Advent calendar, and I can't wait to try out all these amazing teas that I have unboxed. So far, I'm still drinking the Butterscotch Chai from day 1, and it's so good. This is the Tea Bloom glass infuser that I got from Amazon, and it just works really well. I'm glad I got this so that I can see the pretty colors and all the tea that I will be steeping this holiday. So yeah, let me know what your favorite tea is. I'm still very new to tea. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go, but I really am looking forward to trying out this David's Tea calendar. Let me know what's your favorite tea. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.